Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 18th we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous NEET examination for class 11th for chapter 18 body fluids and circulation. So let's start with the video. Question first. Adult human RBCs are enclated. Which of the following statements is our most appropriate explanation for this feature? Statement 1. They are somatic cell. 2. They do not need to reproduce. Third. All their internal space is available to transport oxygen. Fourth. They do not metabolize. So the first option is first, second and fourth. Second option is third and fourth. Third option is only third. And last option is only one. So the right answer is option C, which is only third. Question second. Name the blood cells whose reduction in number in cause clotting disorder leading to excessive loss of blood from the body. Option A is thrombocytes, option B is erythrocyte, option C is neutrophils, and option D is leukocytes. The right answer is option A, thrombocytes. Question third. Serum differs from blood in lacking. Option A is antibodies. Option B is clotting factors. Option C is albumins. And option D is globulins. So the right answer is option B, which is clotting factors. Question fourth. Blood pressure in the pulmonary artery is option A is more than that is in carotid. Option B is same as that is in aorta. Option C is less than that in venae cavae. And option D more than that is in pulmonary vein. So the right answer is option D, which is more than that is in pulmonary vein. Question fifth. These blood vessels in mammals would typically carry the largest amount of urea. Option is dorsal aorta. Option B is renal vein. Option C is hepatic portal vein. And option D is hepatic vein. So the right answer is option D, hepatic vein. Question 6. Doctor used stethoscope to hear the sound produced during each cardiac cycle. So the second sound is heard when option is semilunar valves close down after the blood flows into vessels from ventricles. Option B is AV valves open up. Option C is ventricular walls vibrate due to gushing in of blood from arteria. Option D is AV node receives signal from SA node. So the right answer is option A, semilunar valves close down after the blood flow into vessels from ventricles. Question 7. Person with blood group AB is considered a universal recipient because he has option A is both AB antigens in the plasma but no antibodies. Option B both AB antibodies in the plasma. Option C no antigen on RBC and no antibody in the plasma. Option D is both AB antigens on RBC but no antibodies in the plasma. The right answer is option D, which is it has both AB antigens on RBC but no antibodies in the plasma. Question 8. How do parasympathetic neural signals affect the working of the heart? Option A is both heart rate and cardiac output increase. Option B is reduce both heart rate and cardiac output. Option C is heart rate is increased without affecting the cardiac output. And option D is heart rate decrease but cardiac output increases. So the right answer is option B, which is reduce both heart rate and cardiac output. Question 9. A certain road accident patient with an unknown blood group needs immediate blood transfusion. His one doctor friend at once offers his blood. What was the blood group of the donor? So the option A is blood group AB, option B is blood group O, option C is blood group A, and option D is blood group B. The right answer is blood group O, which is option B. So the last question for this lecture is which one of the following plasma protein is involved in the coagulation of blood? Option A is fibrinogen, option B is serum amylase, option C is globulin, and option D is albumin. So the right answer is option A, which is fibrinogen.